To block contact on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the phone application. From here, you'll have to go for the recents, and there are two ways to block a contact. You can find any contact that you'd like to block on the recents, if actually there is such a contact, and simply press and hold on this contact, and right here there will appear this menu with button block / report spam. So simply press this button to block it, and you don't actually have to report call as a spam. You can unselect this one if you only want to block any contact. And from here, press this button to block it. And as you can see, it is right now currently blocked. And this is the first way. The second way is simply go for the three dots on the top right corner and go into the settings. And from here, you can go for the blocked numbers. And right here, you can add a number manually, whatever number you'd like to block. Simply press this button to add a number, and here you can type in this number and press block button. And as you can see, this number has been blocked. And that's how you can do this.